Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to look for the LCM of three numbers, and these numbers are 28, 42 and 84. So to help us find the least common multiple of 28, 42 and 84, we will first start by drawing a table which has three columns, and each column will be for each of the numbers that we have been given. So we will have 28, we have 42 and we have 84. Then we draw three columns that represents each of these numbers, and then on our extreme left we will look for the least factor that can be used to divide the numbers that we have been given without providing a remainder. If the least common factor cannot divide the numbers without giving a remainder, then we will not carry out the division. So let's look at these three numbers and ask ourselves which is the least number that can be used to divide 28, 42 and 84 without giving a remainder. And this number is 2. So we write here 2. 2, we use it to divide 28. So 28 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 4. And then 42 divided by 2 gives us 2 and 1. And then 84 divided by 2, this gives us 4 and then 2. Then we move on to the next row and ask ourselves which is the least number that can divide either 14, 21 and 42 and without giving a remainder. So realize in this case we have 2 that can divide 14 without giving a remainder. 2 cannot divide 21 without giving a remainder. However, 2 can divide 42 without giving a remainder. So since 2 can divide 2 of these numbers, we will first of all pick number 2 here. We will divide 14 by 2 to get 7. Since 2 cannot divide 21 without giving a remainder, so we will drop 21 as it is, and then go to the last column and divide 42 by 2 to get 21. Then we move on to the next step and ask ourselves which is that smallest number that can divide either 7, 21 and 21 without giving a remainder. So in this case we have 3 that can divide 21 and 21 and fail to give us a remainder. However, 3 cannot divide 7. So we will drop 7 as it is and then look for another number that can divide that number without giving a remainder. So in this case we will drop 7 here and then take 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. Then 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. Then we ask ourselves which is that number that can be used to divide 7 and not give a remainder. So this is simple. So we have 7 dividing 7 without giving a remainder. So in this case we will write here 7. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. So to get the LCM, or the least common multiple, we will multiply all the factors throughout the expression that we have. So our LCM here will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 then multiplied by 1. So if we simplify this, we will get the least common multiple between 28, 42 and 84. And this one we can simplify the expression by multiplying 2 by 2, that gives us 4, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, multiplied by 1 gives us 21. So 4 multiplied by 21 gives us 84. So the LCM of 28, 42, and 84 is equal to 84. This brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.